Hello everyone, this video is for class 10th, subject is information technology and the subject code is 402. In this video, we'll discuss the remaining tabs of accessibility option. These tabs are sound tab, display tab, mouse tab and general tab. So let's start with sound tab. So when we select the sound tab, a window to configure accessibility options for sound is displayed. The first option of sound tab is Sound Sentry. Sound Sentry is designed to help users with auditory impairments. Sound Sentry generates visual warnings such as a blinking title bar or a flashing border whenever the computer generates a sound. To enable Sound Sentry, check Use Sound Sentry under the Sound tab, click Apply and then click OK. To disable Sound Sentry, uncheck Use Sound Sentry and then click on Apply then OK. The next option of Sound tab is Show Sounds. Show Sounds instructs applications that convey information by sound to also provide information visually through text, captions or informative icons. To enable show sounds, check use show sound under sound tab, then click apply and then click OK. The next tab of accessibility option is display tab. When we select display tab, a window with options to configure accessibility option for display is displayed. The first option of display tab is high contrast. High contrast is an accessibility feature to assist people with vision impairment. We can change the size and color of fonts and the background for ease of viewing. To enable high contrast, check use high contrast under display tab, click apply and then click OK. To disable high contrast, uncheck use high contrast, then click apply and then click OK. Now the next option of display tab is cursor option. Cursor option is also an accessibility feature that assists people with vision impairment by changing the blink rate and width of the cursor. To change the speed of the cursor blink, move the blink rate slider back and forth. We will notice the cursor blinking at various speeds. And to change the width of the cursor, move the width slider back and forth. Then we will notice the width of the cursor is changing. Now the next tab of accessibility option is mouse tab. The option in mouse tab is mouse keys. Mouse keys is an accessibility feature that assists people who have difficulty using a mouse. This option uses the keyboard, especially numeric keypad, as a pointing device instead of mouse. Select the mouse tab, then a window to configure accessibility options for mouse will be displayed. Then to enable mouse keys, check use mouse keys, then click apply and then click on OK. After enabling mouse keys, use number pad keys for moving mouse pointer instead of using mouse. After using it, we can disable mouse keys by unchecking use mouse keys option and then click on apply and then OK. The last tab of accessibility option is general tab. This tab enables you to configure accessibility option for all the users. The first option in general tab is serial keys. Serial keys is an accessibility feature that assists people that have difficulty using a keyboard or a mouse or both. These type of people can use special devices such as sip, puff and breath switches to provide input to the computer through serial ports. That's all for the first session of Unit 2. In the next video, I'll discuss Session 2, that is networking concepts of Unit 2.